Mist rolls slow across the stone, empty streets where fears have grown. A shadow shifts where nothing should. The night has teeth beneath the hood. The hour of the wolf is near. No prayer to speak, no God to hear. Two golden eyes in silence gleam. He walks between your breath and dream. Footsteps lost in hollow sound. The wind is low, the moon is crowned. Old blood whispers through the rain. He's not a ghost, he knows your name. The hour of the wolf has come. The cold is deep, the silence numbs. A presence moves behind the skin. He knows the dark you keep within. No bells, no clocks, no measured time. Just echo, shadow, pulse and rhyme. He doesn't knock, he doesn't call. He simply waits until you fall. In dreamless sleep or waking fear, the boundary fades and he draws near. He doesn't rage, he doesn't cry. He only watches eye to eye. The hour of the wolf is truth, stripped of mercy, grace or youth. No one runs and no one hides. He walks through bone where silence hides. He's his hunger, he is Lord, older than the blood you wore. Not of heaven, not of hell. He is the hour no clock will tell. So if the stillness grips too tight and fog devours the edge of night, don't turn your back, don't close your eyes. The wolf is real and always right.